You know how it is when you get some new hair. You are very excited and we're going long. So I'm going to be doing a custom wig. So I want you guys to keep watching as I get started. First and foremost, I want to go ahead and welcome you guys back to my channel. I am Stylist Lee and you are on the Stylist Lee channel. If you're new, be sure to subscribe below and like this video. Today, we're doing something a little bit different. I am welcoming you guys into my home. This is my wig crafting station and I am going long, you guys. So I haven't went long in a very long time. If anyone knows and sees my video, I usually like to wear my hair pretty short, but every now and again, you know, you like to switch it up. So today I am going to be using hair from SL Raw Version Hair. And this is going to be in 24 to 26 inches. And we're also using a 5x5 closure piece in Natural Wavy. This is the Coarse Moroccan hair from the Coarse Hair collection at SL Raw Version Hair. This hair is very exclusive. It's actually not available in a large quantity because it's based on donor submission. So very limited by supply, but when you do get a hold of it, it is a must-have. The hair is very coarse, very low luster. It's not overly shiny, it's not overly soft, it has a lot of texture, holds curls very well, so definitely you're getting a big bang for your buck. I like to do my own custom wig units on a wig block. One of the reasons why I like doing that is because I'm able to really mold that wig unit to my head based on my circumference of my head and my head shaped versus getting a machine crafted wig. A lot of times I find that that's a little bit too tight on my head and I tend to get a lot of headaches. So I find that doing a wig block method with measuring those wefts according to the dome just works a little bit better for me. So right now I'm just pretty much just stitching, locking those wefts in place, going from temple to temple. I usually like to do probably about 1 centimeter or 2 centimeters apart from each weft, so I don't go too crazy getting the wefts too close or too far apart from each other. We are using 8 ounces of hair. So that's going to give us a really good full dense look. I usually don't like my wigs a little bit too heavy. I find that they just seem to be a little bit more fragile. The hair the cap moves a lot because of the weight, and it's just a little too heavy for my neck. That's just my personal opinion. I don't really like that much hair on my head, but I know a lot of women, they prefer probably 10 ounces of hair, but that's not my. With this particular wig, it probably took me approximately 2 to 3 hours to do. It really just depends on how I was feeling that day, if I took a snack break or a bathroom break. But for the most part, I usually can do this within 2 to 3 hours consistently. That's with no stopping or anything like that. But right now, all I'm really doing is just stitching everything in place. Like I told you guys before, keeping it between 2 centimeters to 1 centimeter apart from each other. As we get closer into the crown area, I might go ahead and break it a little bit further apart. But for the most part, I try to keep it consistent throughout the whole service. But keep in mind, I try not to do it too close because I don't want it to be overly heavy with hair and packed in. Because like I said before, I'm not really a huge fan of a lot of hair on a wig unit. Plus, sometimes it looks a little bit wiggy. The heavier the hair is, it doesn't look as natural and realistic. And let's just be honest, we're all here for the most realistic wig unit we can possibly get. It really just depends on your preference. So for the most part, I'm finished. I'm going to go ahead and go in and shape this wig up, and I'm going to decide to add some curls. I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera. I'm going to pin curl it so it can cool off, so those curls can hold in place. So for the next scene, I'm going to be showing you how those curls came out. I hope you guys like it. I went ahead and chose curls because, like I said, I like stuff that lasts. Anything where I don't have to keep retouching it or redoing it, that works great for me. And like I told you guys before in the beginning of this video, I'm using hair from SL Raw Version Hair. The link will be down below. I'll also attach it if you guys decide that you want to go ahead and check some hair out. If you want to order some hair, hair is usually available on for ready to order. So when you order it, it ships out either the same day or it ships out the next business day, depending on what collection you choose from. But this is our curls. I love how they came out. I got a lot of compliments online when I had posted this unit that I made. So I said, why not just go ahead and edit the video and show you guys. So this is what we're doing here. I hope you guys like this video.